Good morning, kids. I am Priya, your social ma'am. I welcome you all to this wonderful social class. Dear children, today we are going to learn lesson 3, the tropical desert. So, how many of you know about the desert? Yes, everyone. Okay. What is a desert? Yeah, it's a very dry area. Very good. Then no, it's very hot, very good. So you know something about the desert, isn't it? Which one is called the ship of desert? Yeah, it's a camel. So you have some very good knowledge about the desert, isn't it? So this lesson is very much easy for you. So first in this lesson, we have to know about the where the hot desert is situated in the tropical zone. So this is a part of the lesson in torrid zone, isn't it? So there are many hot desert situated in the tropical zone. Some of the most well-known desert of the world, like Sahara Desert in Africa, Arabian and Thar Desert in Asia, Great Australian Desert in Australia, Atacama and Patagonian Desert in South America are found in this zone. The hot deserts are found between 15-degree north and 30-degree north and south of the equator. Both north and south we get 15-degree to 30-degree. We have the hot desert regions. A desert is a place which receives scanty or no rainfall. What does mean by scanty, children? Yes, it's a less. Okay, less rainfall or no rainfall. That is 25 centimeter or less amount of rainfall throughout the year. There are mainly three type of desert region in the world in this region. That is world hot or tropical desert, cold desert and temperate desert. Hot desert are mostly formed because of the dry winds. Winds which blow over these deserts do not have moisture. Already you know about the moisture, isn't it? What is mean by moisture, children? Yes, it means ஈரப்பதம்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா, காற்றுல வந்து ஈரமே இல்லாமல் ட்ரையாக இருக்கிறது. ஓகேவா, ஈரமாக இருந்தது அப்படின்னா we get the rainfall, isn't it? Okay. Next one. Most of the hot deserts are located in the western side of the continents. The temperate deserts are relatively cool deserts. They have extreme climatic conditions. The winter are extremely cold and summers are very hot. Gobi Desert, which is located in Mongolia, is example of a temperate desert. In Gobi Desert, all over the year we do not get the hot. We get a hot summer and extreme cold winter. So it is called the temperate desert. Next, last one is the cold desert. Cold desert are found mostly in the frigid zone. They are extremely cold and not have many plants grow in this region. So they are also called the desert. ஹாட்டாக இருந்தால் மட்டும்தான் டெசர்ட், அப்படி கிடையாது. எங்கேயே வந்து மழை நமக்கு லைஃபுக்கு சரியாக வராத இடமோ அதை கூட நம்ம டெசர்ட்னு தான் சொல்கிறோம். அதனால தான் the cold desert, they covered by snow all over the year. ஓகேவா. Now in this lesson we are going to learn about the hot desert. First we learn about the climate of the hot desert. Hot desert have very hot and dry climate. They receive a little rainfall and a strong dry wind blow over the region during the day. The temperature during daytime is very high, while night the temperature decreases. Nights are very cold in winters. The sand which covers the desert heat up during the day and cools down very quickly at night. So night time they get very cold in winter. The hot desert records some of the highest temperature on earth. During summer in daytime, the temperature may rise up to 50 degrees Celsius, but at night it may drop less than 10 degrees Celsius. The next one, we are going to learn about the plant life in the desert. So, without the rainfall and too much of hotness, how do the plant grow there? Definitely, the plant not able to grow there. Okay, so we have some plants grow in the desert. The plants and trees which grow in the hot desert have adapted to the extreme climate conditions. Not the ordinary plant not able to adapt the extreme condition. So, some plants only adapt the extreme condition of the climate. The trees, shrubs have a spine like leaves which help to avoid loss of water. Trees, shrubs have long roots to absorb water from the soil. Most of the trees store water in the trunk like cactus, acacia and babo are some of the examples of the examples which grow in the hot desert. It is believed that the trunk of the babo tree found in the Kalahari desert can store up to 1000 liters of water. So the trunk is like a tank. Okay, syntax tank like the having trunk in the babo trees. Okay, so this is the plant life of the deserts. Next one, we are going to learn about the wildlife of the desert. Okay, in desert, most of the animals like a scorpion, snake, like these animals only lived in the desert because of the extreme climate. The animals found in the hot desert have also adapted to the extreme climate conditions. Some animals hide under the rocks in the shade during the daytime and come out in search of food only at the night when it's cooler. Some animals like the desert frog sleep for day under the rocks till the hot and dry period was over. Some like the kangaroo rats bury themselves in the ground to escape the heat. Other animals found in the hot desert are ant poles, scorpions, gazelles, desert fox, jackals and hyenas. Camel is most important animal and is often called the ship of desert. Next one, we are going to learn about the people life in the desert. People who lived in the desert have most adjusted to the extreme climate. Most of the people live in tent. Due to the scarcity of water and food, they do not settle down at one place for a long time. They move from one place to another place in a group and carry their belongings with them. So they are the nomads. Nomads means என்னது நாடோடிகளாக திரிகிறாங்க. ஓகேவா, ஒரே இடத்துல இல்லாமல் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, நாடோடிகளாக ஒரு இடத்துலேருந்து இன்னொரு இடத்துக்கு மூவ் ஆகிக்கிட்டே இருப்பாங்க. Animals rearing, trading and farming are some occupations of the people. The Bedouins in Arabian and Sahara deserts and the Bushmen of Kalahari desert live such a life. Next one, present life of desert. So, in olden days, they don't have any any facility to live in the desert. But nowadays, they have some facility to live in the desert. In present days, people are using jeeps and other vehicles to carry goods for trades. They use camel is gradually reducing. Camels are mostly used as a tourist attraction for riding across desert. Farming is practiced near river or water bodies like oases. Maize and millet are mostly grown people in these places. Date palms are common tree found mostly in the Arabian desert. Desert are also rich in minerals. In Sahara desert is rich in iron ore and copper. and petroleum. Petroleum is also found in the Arabian desert. Many people work in the mining sectors. So the people nowadays, they have a lot of facility in the desert also. So thank you children. We will see in the next class. Thank you.